And what were the main things that you're looking for? Like, how'd you identify a good manager? What would you say leads to a good manager?
I think communication is probably a huge one. Also, uh, probably like we really got familiar with the building software that property managers use.
Hmm.
I love it. It's easy to read. Her and I have a company meeting every month. We go over the financials and make all your expenses are in there. And then just really understanding their fee structure was really important because some managers, for instance, the one manager we hired, it was a new manager, his eviction process was really geared for more expensive suburban homes versus kind of the more inner city houses that we were buying. So the eviction fees that he was charging, none of those tenants would have been able to afford that fee structure. We would have had crazy evictions. So we had him change that, and we learned that from the first manager. So it's really everything: fee structure, communication software, their vacancy rate, and making sure they have experienced the same type of product that you're bringing, right? Because a manager that can manage suburban homes might not be great at identifying and manage kind of more lower end rent.
Hey, if you got value out of this segment of the interview with Stan and Dana, give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe, and you'll be notified when other videos similar to this come out. This is a husband and wife team that has built an incredible portfolio. They've had a ton of success just in the last couple of years. And, maybe you're an investor who wants to get your spouse on board. They offer some really great advice in the rest of this interview. You can listen to the full interview on any podcast player. Just search Living Off Rentals Podcast and share it with your spouse. Share it with somebody else who might want to get their spouse on board or is investing as a husband and wife team. Also, you can go to the Living Off Rentals Facebook page, or the Facebook group, I should say, and join the Living Off Rentals Facebook group. There's a lot of great rental property investors that hang out there. Stan and Dana are members there, so you can ask them any questions you had about this interview or about anything else they talked about. Hope to see you in the next video.